So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to EIOPA's 8th annual conference. The title of this year's conference is Insurance and Pensions Securing the Future.
Insurance and pensions are sectors where you need to invest short-term, but outcomes are long-term. Ensuring high quality and consistent supervision is fundamental to the proper function of the internal market. And this is one of the reasons why supervisory convergence is our highest priority.
EIOPA has made a good contribution into ensuring fair, uniform and efficient, adequate supervision of the insurance business.
You need a strong host regulator to be engaging with a home regulator to be able to deliver best outcomes for consumers.
Yes, the internal market is a success. We are strongly committed to the European idea. We really believe it's in the benefit of all of us to have a strong Europe. But we shouldn't take a good thing for granted. It needs continuous work, and we need to continuously be vigilant and improve the way that we sell this, that we make the system work.
If your asset is not sustainable, it will not have value.
Insurers, pension funds, helped by regulation and supervision, needs to shine a torch into every corner of their business.
There is no escaping. Transformational change is required, starting today. The key to communicating around sustainable finance is to couch it in terms of common good sense and managing risks.
So I understand that the cyber risk is now, or has been in the 5 last years, in the top priorities of companies in Europe. And the situation of insurers is particularly important, as insurers can be the victims of attacks, and so they have to protect themselves against the attacks. And they can play a fundamental role in helping other companies to get more secure against these attacks.
So a company cannot be 100% safe against a cyber attack. Think it like a building. So who is protecting the building must ensure that all windows are secured. But an attacker just needs one open window.
As supervisors at EIOPA, we see it really as an holistic perspective. We need to take care of the cyber resilience, as we've heard in here before, and as a cyber underwriting. And it's 2 different perspectives that we are addressing from a regulatory perspective. You need a continuous learning because also the technology is continuously evolving.
Our financial system is much more stable today than it was 10 years ago. A large number of weaknesses have been addressed and reforms initiated. Now our task is to make sure that the rules that we have created are applied consistently. In the meantime, I would like to address some challenges for insurers that arise from the persistent low interest rate environment, and when contemplating where real interest rates will be heading, the so-called natural rate of interest.
The discussion today just re-encourage us to continue with the commitment that we have been taking in all the 3 areas which were under the spotlight today. There are no shortcuts. This is the only way to really protect the people who cannot be asked to understand what is a conduct of business supervision, what is a prudential supervision, what is a home and DOS, whatever. They just need protection.